Why does bread rise when you bake it in the oven? The secret to that fluffy, airy texture is a fascinating chemical dance happening right inside your dough. Inside your bread dough, yeast acts like a tiny living factory. It consumes sugars and produces carbon dioxide gas as a byproduct. These gas bubbles get trapped in the dough's elastic gluten network, causing the dough to puff up and rise slowly over time. Gluten proteins form a stretchy web throughout the dough. This mesh traps the carbon dioxide bubbles created by yeast. Without gluten, gas would escape and bread wouldn't rise properly. The gluten network is what gives bread its chewy texture and structure. When you put the dough in the oven, heat causes the trapped gas bubbles to expand rapidly. Yeast becomes more active until the temperature gets too high and kills it. Meanwhile, heat solidifies the gluten and starches, setting the bread's final shape as it bakes. So next time you enjoy a warm slice of bread, remember the microscopic yeast and stretchy gluten working together to create that perfect rise. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.